adventure like no other, more like a getaway from the bubble. Just the three of us, completely on our own. Creating wild new memories in such a short amount of time. Here is our Santa Barbara road trip 2022.
And so they had like a talk.
Slow down and give it a honk. It's this guy right here. You. That's it. Except not him. And I'll get him. I got you. All right, let's get these roadie on the road.
Well, Ben, you're a caffeine addict now? Honestly, yeah.
He has to, bro.
You got me hooked, I'm not gonna lie. Really? Yeah, women like their coffee apparently, so. Is he asking you how to put a yes?
Yeah.
You could do it, I mean.
My goodness.
5 digits.
90266. Okay, he's like, I think this is new for him.
Is this his first time doing this?
Is this your first time filling gas?
No. What?
Did you bring your sunglasses with you?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, why?
Shoot.
In Future 9, you can't snag my sunglasses.
We're driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're passing.
So the sun's out again. It's not the fog.
Passing off to the stars tonight. We wanna go.
Go for it, Ben.
We wanna go.
Stop. We're at the Red Rock Pools in Santa Barbara in Los Padres National Forest. First stop of the roadie. Ben's taking a dump still?
Yeah.
He's over here.
Ooh, moonlight. Ooh, moonlight. Can't believe I found you, baby. Come alive. Loving you like we're dancing in moonlight. Wanna waste our time in the moonlight. Wrap me up all night in the moonlight. Wanna waste our time in the moonlight. Wrap me up all night in the moonlight. You look so good, it hurts my soul. No, I can't deny the way you pull it. Ooh, moonlight. Ooh, moonlight. Can't believe I found you, baby. Come alive. Loving you like we're dancing in moonlight.
All right, we're downtown Santa Barbara. Yeah, it was right there. I told you to make it right or left as soon as possible. Residential. We're gonna eat at Janine's.
Must admit it. Ooh, moonlight. Ooh, moonlight.
What are you getting?
Barbecue chicken wrap.
Oh, that's sweet.
That comes with a side of corn muffin or sourdough bread.
Corn muffins.
Dancing in moonlight. Oh, wanna waste our time in the moonlight. Wrap me up all night in the moonlight. Wanna waste our time in the moonlight.
stung by a stingray, dog?
Yep.
Wait, you step on it or just come after you?
Stepped on it.
Oh, man.
So hard.
You did a stingray shuffle?
Well, no, I think. Well, because we're literally 10 feet away.
Cool.
I was about to just walk off backwards, but then I'm like, I don't want people to think I'm doing a backflip, and I just walk off.
Yeah.
So it ended up just spinning at the end.
I've never been stung.
Never been stung up to this point.
Like I kind of felt bad. You know, like survivor's guilt.
Yeah.
I did a
Survivor's Guild on stingrays. All right, well,
it's just like getting a
now
shot.
we're gonna tour around UCSB. We're here at the Isla Vista parking right here, and we're just getting ready to tour campus, check out what's happening. We're changing out of it. We're going on an adventure.
Oh yeah, really tight schedule. We don't really know where we're going.
Yeah, I got a tight schedule. We gotta be back by like 6:45. I feel like so much stuff has changed.
Yeah, dude, we have to catch up.
Yeah, you have to catch me up.
The only reason I recognize you is because I knew you were coming, but I looked at you for a second and was like,
What is that?
This means that I'll try again tomorrow. It's my dark created mountains where the valleys used to be. Gotta change perspective if I really want to see that sunrise over the water. I swam over and under, get lost in all the wonder, never call it quits, no. When life hit me apart, I went faster and farther. I just gotta remember.
Making my way down, guys.
I was made for this. I was made for this. I was made for this. Oh, I live among the waves. Let them take me as far as they want to go.
So we just finished dinner. We ate at Finney's in Santa Barbara. It's about a block off the pier. I got a jalapeno egg burger. Recommend that. That was pretty bomb. Yeah, now I'm just waiting for Ben to come pick us up. He's pulling the car up, and we're just gonna start having some fun. Probably, yeah.
no, we'll just run.
Julio?
How's it going?
Hop in, hurry up.
Hey, man.
Butterfly Beach? Butterfly Beach, you know what it is.
Do you mind if I use your charger real quick?
Nah, bro, it's not cool.
That's all good. I appreciate that. Sorry, my phone's gonna die
we
soon.
really appreciate it. All right,
Bye, bro.
have a good one. Let's do it.
Let it die.
Let's get it.
There's a siren getting off. It's right down here on the floor.
I think we should go to the bathroom before we get into her.
Good morning. It's the day after yesterday. We're here at the Montecito Hot Springs. We had a fun night, and we're gonna change and then check out the hot springs because why not, right? Honestly. All right, hot springs time. Ew. Pretty sick place, huh? Oh, it's so awesome here. Just finished the Santa Barbara trip, so we are gonna end it off right here. No, and we just finished the Santa Barbara trip just now. We're leaving, we're getting food, we're heading out of here, and we'll see you guys. Have a good one. We finished our Santa Barbara trip. We're done. Peace.